Hey, it's Mr. Crane again. Tonight we're doing the seventh grade water bottle lab. So every one of you should have a container, a water bottle that's about large enough to have a 10, 20, and centimeter mark on it. The water bottle should be full. This one's empty. And you should have something to pierce the water bottle. Everybody, you have a nail, so I'm probably going to change you out to a push pin. So those are a little simpler. I just thought about that. So yes, you had one. That's what reminded me of it. So you're going to have a push pin. So what you're going to do, everybody listen, I'm going to bring you tape after you make your first hole. So remember, before we start anything, you have to have your procedures already on your computer, ready to go, telling you what to do, and you should have already asked your question, which hole will have the fastest rate of emptying, that question, and your hypothesis. I think that the 10, the 20, or the 30 will have the fastest rate of emptying, right? If I poke a hole, if I have three equal holes poked on the bottle, then I think the A, B, or C is going to have the fastest rate of emptying. So you need to have that hypothesis before you ever touch the bottle, okay? Before you poke a hole. Now, the poking of the hole is important. So I want you to understand this part. So let's say that I'm going to put this right here. Let's say we take the hole and the first one is the 10. So I have it all full. When I poke a hole here, as soon as I pull it out, it's not going to start leaking. It will not leak until you let air pressure in. Okay? So you don't have to take the lid off. Pay attention, Peterson. You don't have to take the lid off. All you have to do is unscrew it so the air is rushing in from the bottom. Okay? Then you'll see it start to leak. I do not want you doing the 10. I want you to start at the 20 and the 30. And the reason is because literally the top hole could take forever. Okay? And we really don't have forever to do it. So I'm going to give you your data for your top hole. Okay? So you're going to try it on the second, the third one. If you want to do the top one, that's fine, but you're going to be maybe a day later before you get your data, and it takes forever. So I'm just trying to save you a little time. So when you poke your hole and it leaks down to here, regardless of which hole we poke, so let's say we poke here in the 20, once it goes to here and stops leaking out, then we're going to close our lid. All right, and that's going to stop the flow. All right, then we're going to lay it over on its side. We're going to take our paper towel that I provided you. You're going to wipe it off. When you wipe it off, then you're going to take a single piece of tape and you're going to tape over that hole. Then we're going to lift it back up. You're going to take your funnel. You're going to take the water that's in your bucket and you're going to pour it back into here. Okay, so you do it real slow, real easy using your funnel. Raise your hand if you have a funnel. If you don't have a funnel, I will go get you a funnel. You don't have a funnel yet? I don't have a funnel. Does everybody have a funnel? No. Oh, raise your hand if you do not have a funnel. 1, 2. So just the 2? All right, I'll get you guys one. So then you repeat the procedure. All right? So everybody pull up your procedures on your computer, away from your water, and make sure that you have your question answered first on that procedures, and you have your hypothesis. Okay? Yes, ma'am. So it's not on today's because we did this on Thursday, Thursday,
No, there's only, it's like all the word that you first.
Okay. All right. Anybody see the water bottle lab?
No, I don't.
Yeah.
I do.
You do? Where do you see it? What they
Him, not me.
That is the one. It's on 9-8. Water bottle lab. Does yours say 9-8 water bottle lab? Oh, you know why? Because you're originally set to be a virtual student. So
Oh.
go back up to the top. Back up to the top. And we'll click on that first day, right? Who am I? That one right there. Tell us about your internet access. Go there. All right, you need to. When you did home internet, let's do that.
Something's wrong with mine.
All right, now I hear some people with videos. I have made a ton of videos, not videos of games, Mr. Surratt, but games of water bottle labs. All right, so once you have to refresh your screen,
I don't have nothing.
go down and see if you have it. There it is. Sweet. Good job. Glad we worked through that. Okay, so I'll get you your funnels. Look through your procedures, open it up, do your hypothesis, do your questions. Yes, sir.
I don't have a water bottle up.
So were you blended or were you virtual before?
Yeah, but I've already did that. It's not showing me nothing, really.
Okay, so you go down here, and read yourself.
The first pass here, oral one.
Okay. All right, so work through those little dilemmas. I'm gonna check everybody's attendance real fast. Classes are filling up quick. What are you waiting on, sir?
Really?
Yeah, you.
Can't find water bottle.
So you use about.
I don't remember what it is.
9-8.
Yeah.
Open up the water bottle app. And start looking at the procedures of what we do. So, I have a video there, so follow directions, use the information provided with you here, the virtual participating. So you have tons of videos from me doing this, but you also go to here and it has your instructions. So open this up. Okay. So when you get the instructions open, you can convert this to a Google Doc if you want to. I don't have instructions tell you to do all that. You do have to read the instructions, okay? Otherwise, we won't be successful. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I still can't find it.
Ask questions though. 9-8. Open this.
I didn't see the one. Okay, I was wondering what happened. I guess I forgot over the weekend. And just got rid of everything
All
go.
right, so open your lab. So this is your instructions. This is videos I've prepared for you. If you get stuck, open your lab right there. And then first thing when you get it open is change it to a Google Doc. Yes, sir. All right, so whenever you open that, then I want you to convert that to a Google Doc, okay? And we'll start over here. Good morning.
Copy of it?
Open that away, right? So nobody should be puncturing anything yet until you have gone through your kind of instructions, all right? So Mr. Surratt, you're opening up this thing right here as well, so you have these videos that you can watch, okay? But open this up, I always open this up in like a new tab. Alright, but when you open it, click it, enter it, just click on the open it. Double click on that, open it up, and then you're gonna go to File and Save as Google Doc. Okay, and then you can close the Word doc. Alright, I'm gonna bring around the push pins and I'm gonna get your funnels. You have a question? Who wants push pin instead of the big, huge, funky? Alright, so I'm gonna trade you for the nail. Thank you, ma'am. Trading you for the mail. What about that? 10. That's definitely be easier to function. Mr. Peterson, are you that one? Trade you yours?
And she showed us my mine, I can't find it.
That's over. Maybe you may have been a short-handed one. These definitely function easier. So for those of you who already have marks on yours that were before, just punctured in the same spot, okay? That will help you out.
What side do we measure from?
What sides do you have your marks on there? Just go to the clearest side you have and then start putting your 10, your 20, and your 30 marked on there. You gotta add it.
How do the online kids do this experiment?
So they just have the data, they don't have so the data, I've already done it for them.
Oh, they don't have to get the house.
They don't get to touch it. So you have a 10. So here we go. So see the 10 mark? So you're gonna take your bottle. There's a good clear stretch right there. So start from there. Put a mark for me right there. Just make it a little line right
Here?
from the 10. So just put a line. Put a line right there. You can write 10. So I'm gonna go up here. Put a mark right there. Perfect. And then put it right there.
Yep.
Yep. Alright, so we're alright. 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. And 30. Okay. And mark those there. Cool. Yes, sir.
Can you help me mark one?
I sure can. So lay it. Lay it low. Might be a clear area. There's a clear area. So there you go. And mark it, Anybody else need help on the marks? Ladies?
I just need a ruler.
There you go. So here's your 10 mark. So starting from the top. Okay. So starting from the very top. And mark your 10. Right there, right here, one of my fingers. Right here, one of my fingers. Alright, so you see my finger, see the 10 mark? Do you see the 10? Do you see 10?
Oh.
10. Right there. Mark it hard. Alright. Darker. Okay. Do that one a second. Do the next 10. There you go. And then 30 is about right there. Alright, about my thumb. Just go mark my thumb. Alright, so redo that one. And write 10 centimeters, 20 centimeters, 30 centimeters. You gotta do yours, or what you waiting on? You wait, you're not gonna get it done. Do yours.
We wait for you to do the experiment?
No,
Or
sir.
we just do it?
Knock it out.
You kidding me?
This is yours.
Yeah.
But you must have done your question on your document and your hypothesis first before you ever touch a hole. So, I'll put it about right there. All right, now about 10, 20, 30.
I can do it.
All right, so are we